Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. I am showing you today how to make this super cute and very adorable love couple using paper quilling strips. Can you see this beautiful scene? The boy is asking a girl to be a Valentine of him. So let's get started. I'm starting with making the boy's face. For this I'm taking 5 strips of peach color 3 mm and I'm making one tight coil. Now taking my quilling mold and making one dome shape. We need one more tight coil using 5 strips of brown color for the back side of face, and I'm making dome using this brown tight coil as well. Now add glue inside both the domes and spread it using brush and then connect with each other. So the face is ready. Then here I am taking half strip of 3 mm peach color and making one small ring for neck. Just connecting the neck with the face. Then here I have prepared this tight coil using 10 strips of 5 mm blue color for the upper body of the boy, and I am going to open this using my fingers and making one deeper dome. You can also use pencil to open it more. I'm just bending it little bit in one side. Add glue inside this and spread it using brush. Then sticking the face with this. Like this. Then here I have prepared one more tight coil using 10 strips of dark blue color 5 mm and I am making one dome using this. Add glue inside the dome, spread it using brush and connect with the blue color dome. Then I am starting with the legs. So here I have prepared these two tight coils using 5 mm strips. This is made using 2.5 strip of dark blue color and this is made using 1.5 strip of dark blue color. So I am just opening it and making cone shape. Add glue inside both the cones. In the same way I have prepared one more, and one of them I have cut slant because we are going to connect this in the bottom part of this dome, because this is a backside leg, and to connect it properly I have cut it little slant. Now I'm just joining both the parts of legs. So this is the upper leg, like this. Now I'm starting with the hands. So here I have prepared this tight coil using one strip of 5 mm peach color, and I'm just opening it and making cone. Add glue inside this as well and spread it using brush. In the same way I have prepared one cone using one strip of peach color, and this is made using 1.5 strip of blue color 5 mm. Now I'm just joining all three parts to make the complete hand. Now here I am cutting this cone little bit in slant position, just like I did for leg, and then I am going to join it with the other part of the hand. Like this. So one hand will be like folded and this hand will be like a slant. So this is done. Now take back the legs, and I am going to connect the legs with the boy. One in front and one in back. Because he is sitting on his knees, that's why I have made the legs like this. Then here I have also attached both the hands like this and created the palm using 1.5 strip of peach color 3 mm. I have just created tight teardrop shape dome. And similarly for leg I have used 2.5 strip of black color 5 mm and made one tight teardrop shape. So I have added shoes in front and back both sides. Also added the purple color strip around the neck just to make a scarf, and one blue strip in the center just to decorate the shirt little bit and matching with the pant. Now I'm starting with making the ears. For this I'm taking 1/4 strip of peach color, and here I have just cut my 3 mm strip from center to make a thin strip, and now I'm making one teardrop shape. So I'm adding ears on both the sides using glue. Then for the eyes, I have cut black color paper using 2 mm hole punch machine. For the lip, I have just cut red color paper in triangle shape, and just like ears, I have created the nose. Now here I have created this tight coil using 5 strips of red color 5 mm. This is a dome for hat, and now I am wrapping 3 mm red color strips, and I am joining total 2 strips of red color here and wrapping it around the edge of this dome just to make it like a hat. add glue inside this and stick it with the boy's head like this. Now in the same way I have prepared the face for girl just like we created for the boy, and this tight coil is made using 8 strips of peach color 3 mm. This is a dome, and I have created one more dome using 8 strips. Here I have used 7 strips of peach and 1 strip of purple color. So I am just joining both the domes with each other to create the upper body of the girl. Just joining both the domes, and this dome is made using 10 strips of purple color 5 mm. This is little deeper and it will work like a skirt. So I'm just joining the top with the skirt. And also attaching the face on top. These are 2 cones. This is made using 1.5 strip of purple color 5 mm and this is made using 1 strip of peach color 5 mm. So I'm just joining both the cones to make the hand. This is again a folded hand. That's why I'm attaching like this. And the other hand will be straight. So hands are done. Now taking one white color sheet and just connecting the skirt on top of this, allow it to dry. And till it was drying, I have just connected both the hands with the girl. Also added the features just like we made for the boy. And here I have created the braid. I will show you how to make this using quilling strip. Just take 1/4 strip of 3 mm brown color strip. Make a coil using quilling tool. Hold the strip from one corner and twist your tool like this. So you will get the curled strip, and in this way I have created the hairs for girl. Just added 5 to 6 these type of hairs and added 2 purple tight coils for the rubber band. Super easy. Now the bottom portion is completely dried, so I'm just cutting the excess white color paper. Like this. Then here I have attached legs like this. This is made using 1.5 strip of peach color. This is a little longer cone just like we created the hands, and for shoes I have used 2 strips of purple color 5 mm. These are tight teardrop shapes, and I have attached both the legs in cross manner because she is sitting on the bench. Now this is the best part. I have made one cute ice cream stick bench. I have just joined 3 strips horizontally, and for back support I have added one small piece of ice cream stick, added 4 sticks in the bottom, and the cute bench is ready. If you want to learn how to make this bench, just comment below. I will surely make one video for that as well. Super cute. Now I'm just going to stick the girl on top of this. So just add little glue and connect like this. Hold it for some time till it is dry. Now here I'm taking one cardboard piece which measures 15 by 11 centimeters. I have just wrapped one green color paper around this to make a grass effect, and also cut one green color paper in zigzag manner for the grass, and I am going to stick this grass on the edge of this cardboard piece all over the edge from all 4 sides. So this is done. Now taking back the girl with bench and sticking in one corner, and also taking the boy and sticking like this. Here in the hands of boy, I have just added some bunch of red color roses. These are simple paper quilling roses. So just stick the boy, and also I am giving the hand of girl with the boy's hand. So just add little glue and stick it like this. And the super cute showpiece is ready. I have attached some red color hearts in the bottom to give it more love look or Valentine special look, and the girl's hand and boy's hand should connect with each other. That will look more nice. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.